So I'm here at CNF Precision, just about to talk to Mark about their ITC cutting tools. So Mark, what is your relationship like with ITC?
ITC are a very good supplier to us. They're always there to help us. They supply a lot of tooling for us for various jobs. So yeah, it's pretty good.
What's their delivery like? So when you make an order, how quickly do they get to you?
So we can order up to about 5:30 at night, and we'll get it delivered by around 10:30 the next morning. So it's pretty good.
So if you have a tool cut out that day, you can get a replacement tool.
Yeah, certainly. We normally keep spares, but they'll get things here within a few hours.
So what ops are you using these tools on? So what operations are these tool cutting?
So we use their tools for a range of jobs, from aluminiums through to steels and exotics. But recently we've been using a lot of cutters like the ones I've got here, on Inconel jobs particularly, and we find them to be really good.
So that's quite tough material. So also we've been talking about the cam packages. So I know, being an engineer myself, that having the cam packages, the tooling packages and the machine, they all blend together. So how are ITC with your cam packages? Do they work really well?
They do indeed, yeah. We find that the support we get and the information they help us with, cut data and things like that, we get good tool life and speeds out of the cutters. It's very good.
So talk to me about these tools in front of you.
So these tools, first one we have here is a harmonic flute 10mm ball nose. We use this for roughing, first stage roughing of an Inconel part we do. We were getting around 3 parts life of a previous supplier's tool. We now get up to 5 with this, and it is slightly cheaper as well. So we found the benefits both ways there. This one here is a 4mm harmonic flute finisher. It's a 4081 cutter from ITC. This does the small bore finishing on the same part. And it's good. This will last anything up to 15-20 parts before we have to change it. It's very good on Inconel. And then this one here is one of their Pro coated cutters. This does all the finished surfacing on it. And again, we found this, we're getting up to 50 to 100% more tool life than we did on a previous supplier's tool.
So I've seen a part over there, and I know it's got quite a long cycle time. Also, in that time, you don't want to be changing tools. So are the tools lasting for the operation, the amount of time that you want?
They are. I mean, we had a lot of trouble with the particular job. We got ITC on board, and we managed to get at least 20% out of the cutters, which obviously reduced downtime, which obviously is a benefit to any company.
Yeah, definitely. So what are ITC's customer service like? Are they there on call?
Absolutely excellent. Our rep's Gary Bambrick, and if we need anything, he'll literally be here the next day. He's very good.
So that's what you really want from a tooling provider, don't
exactly
you?
That, yeah.
Definitely. So they're form tools. Do you use them?
We do. The recent project we've just had is for like a rack gear, and we were struggling to get hobs made and things like that, and companies to do it. So we spoke with ITC, and they worked with us to develop a cutter, get it coated, which enabled us to machine it in process on the machine.
So it's not just off-the-shelf cutters that we're talking about here. We can make cutters that are designed basically for your parts, which
Exactly
is a great
that.
benefit.
No, they're very good. They work with you. They'll speak with you, and obviously get what we need at the end of the day to make sure the machines are running.
Thank you.